Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geography Guru. This is the fifth episode of class 12th Geography chapter number 2, World Population, Distribution, Density and Growth. In the previous episode we tried to understand about the components of population change. There are three factors responsible for population change. First one is birth, second one death and third one is migration. We also tried to understand about the pull and push factors of migration as well as the directions of migration. There are four directions of migration: R to R, U to U, U to R and R to U. In today's fifth episode, we are going to discuss about the two important topics. First one is historical trend in the population change and second one is estimated doubling time of world population. Let's begin. Trends in population growth. The population on the earth is more than 7 billion. It is near about 8 billion. Here the billion, 1 billion is equal to 100 crore. तो अभी वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन की बात करें, इट इज़ नियर अबाउट 8 बिलियन, इट मीन्स 800 करोड़ के आसपास है. इट इज़ ग्रोन टू दिस साइज ओवर सेंचुरीज. इट टुक मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स, लाखों साल लगे हमें यहाँ तक पहुँचने में. इन द अर्ली पीरियड्स द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ग्रू एट अ वेरी स्लो पेस. It is only during the last 100 years, few hundred years, that the population has increased at alarming rate. First time, the population, world population touched the 1 billion mark in 1830 and now in 2020 it is near about 8 billion. So during the past 200 years it increased or the growth rate remains quite high, काफ़ी ज़्यादा रही है. Let's analyze all the factors and how it grew through the diagram. Here first of all we are going to discuss about the population growth, how it grew in the past, कैसे ये बढ़ी है. It is very important for your examination point of view. It touched the 1 billion mark in 1830. First time it took near about millions of years, लाखों साल लग गए थे 100 करोड़ पहुंचने में. Then it took only 100 years to reach 2 billion. It reached 2 billion in 1930. 1930 में 200 करोड़ के आसपास हो गए थे. Then it took only 30 years to reach 3 billion, from 2 billion to 3 billion in 1960. Then it took only 15 years to reach 4 billion in 1975. Then in 1987 it reached 5 billion and then in 1999 it reached 6 billion and it took only 12 years. Now it is estimated that in 2021 the world population is going to touch the mark of 8 billion. So at this time during the past 200 years the population grew at a rapid pace. अब बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ी है. Let's analyze कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. 12,000 years before present there was the slow development in the agriculture or spread of agriculture that provided the base for the population growth and population began to grow at a very slow pace. बहुत धीमी गति से population बढ़नी शुरू होती है. At the time of the birth of Christ, the world's population was 0.2 billion, 0.25 billion, near about 25 करोड़ के आसपास थी. At present the UP's population is 24 करोड़ के आसपास है, तो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा थी उस वक्त पूरे वर्ल्ड की population. Then in 1600 it touched the mark of 0.5 billion, 50 करोड़ के आसपास थी 1600 में. Then in after the 1700 many improvement, many innovations, development took place in the world, such as the improvement in the industrialization, such as the beginning of the industrialization, improvement in the transportation system, sanitation and medical facilities, biotechnology and information and computers, etc. So during the past 300 years many improvement or developments took place in the science and technology, and that helped to cope with the hunger like situation, that helped to cope with the pandemic like situation, that also helped in the to cope with the communicable disease, etc. So all these factors decrease the death rate. अब ये क्या क्या हुआ? Industrialization. After the industrialization, improvement in the medical facilities, improvement in the transportation system and in the better communication system, that all helped to cope with, to deal with the hunger like situation, drought like situations and natural disasters एंड वी ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव द मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज एट्सेट्रा, इन सब कारणों से डेथ रेट है वो कम हो गई, बट द बर्थ रेट रिमेन्ड एट द सेम स्टेज, बर्थ रेट है वो वहीं रही। सो इट वाइडेंड द गैप बिटवीन द बर्थ रेट एंड डेथ रेट के बीच में गैप है वो बढ़ गया, एंड दैट वॉज द मेन कोज ऑफ रैपिड इंक्रीज इन द पॉपुलेशन ड्यूरिंग द पास्ट 200 ईयर्स। इसके कारण काफ़ी तेज़ी से जनसंख्या वो बढ़ी है। द ओनली सॉल्यूशन टू स्टेबलाइज द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन इज टू डिक्रीज द गैप बिटवीन द बर्थ रेट एंड द डेथ रेट। Many countries now at this time they are able to control their population growth rate, just decreasing the gap between the birth rate and the death rate। तो मेन जो कोज रहा है वो ये रहा है कि बर्थ रेट है वो उतनी ही रही है, लेकिन डेथ रेट है वो कम हुई है, उनके बीच में जो गैप है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा रहा है, जिसके कारण पॉपुलेशन वो तेज़ी से बढ़ी है। लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज मोर देन 10 टाइम्स इन द पास्ट 500 ईयर्स की बात करें तो 10 गुना बढ़ चुकी है। इन द 20th century only itself the population has increased 4 times. Nearly 80 billion peoples are added each year in the world population. Doubling time of the world population, थोड़ा सा हम इसके ऊपर भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। It took more than a million years for the human population to attain the 1 billion mark. It took only 12 years to rise from 5 billion to 6 billion, and doubling time of world population is reducing fast. And it is not just reducing fast, it is unevenly active, as we have discussed in the very first episode of this chapter, that the world population is unevenly distributed. Same with the population growth rate is there, it is also not equally at the same stage, same level पे नहीं है, ये भी अलग अलग है। चलिए हम डबलिंग टाइम को एनालाइज करने की कोशिश करते हैं, कैसे डबल होगी वर्ल्ड की पॉपुलेशन। हियर वेरियस शेड हैज़ बीन शोन, अलग अलग शेड यहाँ पे दी गई है। दिस शेड, डार्केस्ट शेड, इज शोइंग द पॉपुलेशन इज गोइंग टू डबल एंड इट विल टेक मोर देन 100 ईयर्स इन दीज कंट्रीज, मोर देन 100 ईयर्स। इन यूके इट विल टेक 318 ईयर्स टू डबल द पॉपुलेशन। अगर अभी की जो ग्रोथ रेट है उसके बेस पे आइडिया लगाए तो ये डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज है वेस्टर्न यूरोपियन की। देन दिस डार्क रेड शेड जो शो करे यहाँ पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, चाइना, जापान, रशिया, अर्जेंटीना, कनाडा, यूएसए, इन कंट्रीज में, इन दीज कंट्रीज द पॉपुलेशन will take 41 to 100 years to double. It means that the population growth rate is slow. Here these countries including India, Brazil, here Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, etc. Here the population will take 31 to 40 years to double. यहाँ पे 31 to 40 years लगेंगे। Then in Africa, Arabian countries, Mongolia, it will take 21 to 30 years, only 21 to 30 years to double its population. So we can say that here in these countries the population growth rate is quite high, बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ रही है यहाँ की population. Here these countries, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands, Italy, etc., there is population decline. It means these countries population never going to double, कभी डबल नहीं होने वाली है। तो ये वर्ल्ड का डबलिंग टाइम है। यू कैन शो हियर इन द वेरियस कैटेगरीज द countries which taking the more than 100 years, countries taking 40 to 100 years, and countries taking 31 to 40 years, and countries taking less than 30 years to double its population. Let's move forward. Here there are a great variations among the regions in doubling their populations. यहाँ पे variations as we have seen in the map too. Developed countries are taking more time to double their population as compared to the developing countries. If we discuss about the India, at the present growth rate, it is 1.4% in India. At this rate, India's population of over 1 billion will double in 36 years. Some developed countries will take 300 years, such as the UK, to double their population, whereas some countries still do not show any symptoms of doubling their population. So, as we have discussed in this episode, that how the population of the world grew in the past, कैसे 100 crore then to 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 और 700 पे हम कैसे पहुँचे 1 to 7 billion. And then we also discussed about the estimated doubling time of the world population. Estimated कैसे है कि ये अभी की जो ग्रोथ रेट है वहाँ की उसके बेस पर आइडिया लगाया गया, एस्टिमेशन है कि कैसे डबल होने वाली है, हाउ मेनी ईयर्स इट विल टेक टू डबल द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. So that's all in this episode. I hope that you are going well. Till the next episode, bye bye, have a nice day.